we're going to do a pose that is going to pop your back and help with your back pain. We're going to come down on the front of our body here, and then we're going to thread the needle, and we're going to press down on our arm here and open up here with your arm to the side and release. We'll just do the other side. Stretch out your arm, open up your back here, open up your chest. Keep breathing. Really feel that stretch. And we'll just come to the other side again. Really feel a crack. I already heard a crack. Really feel that stretch in your arms and your back. And release. Just one more time to the left side. Open up your hips, chest, your back. And release. And that is your yoga pose to crack your body and to really feel a release in any pain that you have.